What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Did you guys miss me? Well, I'm back with my current foundation routine. So, do you guys want to see how I get this flawless? Then keep on watching. Alright, so the first product that I'm going to be going in with is Ulta Beauty Mattifying Face Primer. That is a lot of words. I'm just going to take just a smidge of it. This is almost gone, about that much. Rub it in and let's get it smooth. I love that product. So for foundation, I am going to be going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect. Now, if you do not have this product, we're going to be doing this in real time so you can see just how fast this stuff blends. So I just added 2 pumps to my damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to dot it all over my face on the outer perimeter. And then I'm going to work my way inside. And just like that, we are blended to perfection. For concealing, I am going to be going in with 2 separate products. One is a concealer, one is a color correction pen, and this is in a light purple shade. It is a brightener, and I just use this on the outer portion of my eyes. So, let's get it. And then go in with my damp beauty blender and blend it in. Alright, and I am also going to highlight the higher points of my face, chin, nose, cupid's bow, and forehead. And again, I'm going to blend that in with my damp beauty blender. Now to set the under eye, because my under eyes can get super duper dry, I am going to be going in with my Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm going to use this lighter shade just to dab underneath my eyes, and it is moisturizing so it will not dry it out. Yes. And now for the rest of the places that I have added concealer, I am going to be setting with my Airspun translucent powder. Now for bronzing and contouring in one easy step, I'm going to be diving back into this palette and using the darker of the shades. And now to be extra precise and chisel out these cheeks, I am going to be switching blenders. Now this one is a straight across, perfect for laying it down and getting that good cut for your contour. So I am going to dip into my Wet n Wild contouring palette and just going to set this down and drag it across. Now I am going to apply some to this side of the under eye. As you can see, I have already done this side. Now this just is a added setting powder just to make sure that my under eyes are super bright, as well as my chiseled cheeks. Ooh, that's pretty. I am a sucker for a super bright under eye, so this palette is everything to me. So I am going to brighten up my forehead as well. So for blush, I am going to share with you guys a new trick that I learned. I just go in with whatever blush that you guys like, and I use a blender brush, and I just basically carve out my cheek and then blend it upwards. And this creates the illusion that my cheeks are more up because, as you can see, I do not have super puffy cheeks. So this creates the illusion that I do. Now, before setting my face, I always like to blend everything together seamlessly. So I am going in with my super huge powder brush, and I'm just going to 1-2 all over the face and blend all of this product seamlessly. Alright, and then we can set. Today I'm going to be going in with my Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh Setting Spray. Love, love, love that. It smells so good. Like, if you like the smell of roses, Revlon is your girl. So for highlighting today, I am going to be going in with my Rosé by Bad Habit, and let's take it back and do a little bit of shine. So now that I basically have my entire foundation routine completed, I am going to quickly complete my eyes off camera, and I will be right back.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, that was my foundation routine. That is a daily routine. Yes it was, yes it was. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I love spending each and every moment that I can with you guys. So, until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.